या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना.
Characteristics of company. There are some characteristics of company. Number 1, created by law. A company is an artificial person created by law, voluntary, having distinct personality from members. Number 2, artificial person. A company is the creation of law. It has nobody knows soil conscience. Still, it is a position to exit, to enter into a contract, to own property and conduct a lawful business. Number 3, separate entity. The property of the company belong to it and not to be shareholders. It must be utilized for the benefit of the company and not for the personal benefits of the shareholders. The company cannot be held liable for the act of the members, and the members cannot be held liable for the act of wrong or misdeeds of the company. Next heading is perpetual succession. A company has continued life. It never dies with the death of its shareholders. Its life is independent of the lives of its members. The members may come and go, but the company continues. Next heading is number 5, common seal. A company has a common seal. The company does not does all it works under this common seal. This common seal is its signature. Next heading is limited liabilities. The limited company and other company have limited liability. The liability of the shareholders of company limited to the face value of the share they hold through the members are of the company, but they are never personally liable for its debts. No member is liable to contribute anything more than the nominal value of the share held by them. Thank you.
जब जब भी इसे पुकारूं मैं, तस्वीर को इसकी निहारूं मैं।
जब जब भी इसे पुकारूं मैं, तस्वीर को इसकी निहारूं मैं।
ओ मेरा शाम आ जाता मेरे सामने, ओ मेरा शाम